Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to today's video. We're going to be doing another first impressions of a bunch of makeup that I have here. I've got quite a bit of products to test out from MILANI. I've got Urban Decay, Too Faced, we've got some Winky Lux, and just a bunch of other makeup in here that I wanted to play around with today and just do kind of a chatty get ready with me. If you guys are new, welcome to my channel. My name is Steph, and if you guys are new, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. Otherwise, let's get diving right into this. I do have this Wet n Wild Mega Glow face mist here. This is actually can be used as a pick-me-up, a setting spray, or a face primer. And this is actually from their Cavern collection, which I just did a full-on review. If you guys haven't seen it, make sure to check it out. It's a really good review. And not only that, everything in that collection is under $10, which I think is such an incredible price point. So oh, that smells good. Because it is hot outside, I'm going to go in with a mattifying primer. This isn't new, but it is the Catrice Cosmetics A Prime and Fine. This is a pore refining and anti-shine. So I figured I would use it to try to see if I can kill two birds with one stone. Since I don't have anything new for foundation, I'm just going to go in with the NARS Radiant Longwear Foundation. This one is in Aruba, which you guys can see is really dark for me. So I'm going to mix it with the MOIRA Complete Wear Foundation. I do have a new brow product to try out. I've been wanting to get my hands on this for quite some time and I still haven't tried it out. I've been waiting to try it out with you guys. It is the Urban Decay Brow Blade, and the shade that I picked up is in dark brown. Or dark drapes, sorry. It's called dark drapes, which is a dark brown. The brow blade is kind of cool because it does have the felt tip on one side and then the pencil on the other. I think my plan is to go in with the ink stain first and try to just mimic some brow hairs and then fill in with the pencil, I think is what I'm going to try to do. I'm going to let that dry and then I'm going to go in with the brow pencil side. Look at that. I love this because you could definitely do the brow product obviously first and then go in and mimic brow hairs, but this is it done this way. So here are both brows. This one has the ink stain done first and then the brow pencil, and then this is done the brow pencil and then the ink stain after, and I honestly can't tell a difference. I think you could use it either way. The thing I like about this is that you can see where I created lines, but it doesn't look like lines. It looks like my brow hair, which is incredible. Like, I love it. I will definitely buy another one. I'm gonna go ahead and highlight my face really quick and conceal underneath my eyes. I'm just gonna be taking my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I do have the MILANI translucent powder that I picked up. This one here is in 01, light to medium skin, which I decided to try out today. I always appreciate when companies put these little sifters in the loose setting powder so that way everything doesn't get outside of them. I do have a few palettes to play around with today. I have the Wet n Wild collection palettes that we just recently did a review on. A lot of you guys really wanted to try out this green one, so I think maybe that's what I'm gonna do because we have the purple and we have the rose gold, and I just did like a neutral look in my last Shop My Stash, which has just went up. Purple, I always play around with purple, and then I have this like really neutral one, which I might hold on to because it has a really good brow bone shade. Winky Lux just came out with the Latte Kitten palette, which is so stinking cute, you guys. Look at how cute this palette is. So I definitely want to play with that as like my neutral palette because there are a couple of neutrals in here for mattes, and then you've got some metallics. Oh my gosh, it smells like coffee in here. I wish you guys could smell this because this smells incredible. I think if you guys like neutrals, you would definitely appreciate this palette, but even just like a coffee lover's dream, the Winky Lux, if you guys have not tried Winky Lux shadows, you definitely need to. They are really good and they have great quality. I'm gonna take Brulee and I'm gonna apply that all over the eye area. very much for somebody who likes light neutral shades. If that's your jam, this palette is going to be perfect for you. I'm going to have to come back to that because I need something a little bit deeper in the crease. Okay, I'm going to take the Mattes palette from Profusion because I need something a little bit deeper in the crease. I'm going to go in with this shade right here, which is called Fuse. And I'm going to take it on the same blending brush. This one's a little bit smaller. It's a Morphe 502. And I'm just going to pack it right here on the outer corner. All right, so now that we got mostly that, it's kind of hard when I thought I knew what I was going to do, and now I have no idea. I'm going to take this by Lancome, which is this really chubby brown pencil stick, and I'm going to put this all over the lid, and then I'm going to use my finger to blend it out. This is not coming out the way I wanted to, by the way. Not at all. I'm going to use my finger, and I'm going to take this green shade right here, and I'm going to pop it on right on top. This is not at all what I was looking for. I'm going to take concealer. Take concealer. I'm going to cover that up, whatever that is that I just did there. This green is not coming off. That is not coming on. Okay, let's take this lighter green right here and pop it right there. There we go. Holy crap, this was going to take forever, wasn't it? Ooh, that's beautiful. Then I'm going to take the darker green and I'm going to pop that on in the outer corner, and I'm going to use my finger. I will tell you, everything in this palette, this is the best one to work with. Everything else is just not coming out as well. I didn't want to have to dive into the purple, but the purple, the really deep purple shade, is actually coming off really nicely. This is not my best work. I'm going to go into the Mattes palette, and I'm going to take the shade Devious on this small little fluffy brush, and I'm going to use that to kind of blend out the edges. Okay, so I got those two done, except I'm still unhappy with the way that it looks. So I'm going to use a wing to cover it. Just like that. For my waterline, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Tattoo Studio. This one here is the white one. I'm going to keep it neutral on the lower lash line, and I'm just going to take that Devious shade that we used for the crease, and I'm going to run it on my lower lash line. I'm going to go ahead and pop on some lashes really quickly, and I will be right back. Now that we have the lashes on, I feel like the eye look doesn't look as bad, you know, like, as it covers everything. So we're going to move on to the rest of the face. I'm going to finish off with bronzer and then blush and highlight lips. We're going to be using the Winky Lux bronzer. This here is their coffee bronzer in the shade Mocha, and it smells so good. So good again. I'm just going to use this Moda brush. It's what I've been using for all of my bronzers, and I really like it. Gosh, it smells so good. Oh gosh, I love that. For blush, I don't have a new blush, so we're not going to do blush today. I really want to use this highlight today. This here is the Mega Glow Highlighter. This is the limited edition collection one. Oh my gosh, look at that. So I'm just going to pop it on right here. I'm going to try to apply it with a brush on this side and see how it works. Oh yeah. See, like, it is a cream highlighter, but it also acts as like a powder highlight, like I was saying in the review video, because most cream highlighters, like, obviously wouldn't do well over powder, and I have powder on my face already, and it doesn't do well. And this one just glides on. Do you see that? So we have two lip products. The very first one is Latte, and this here is a lip velour. And this is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. Look at that. Look at how beautiful that is. It's like a true coffee color. This is in the shade Latte. And then you have Leche, which is one of their creamy dreamies, is what they call them. Both of these are right up my alley, you guys. Like, these are definitely the lip products I would use in a heartbeat. And then they came out with the Winky Lux Glazed Lip, which is in the shade Coffee Glaze, which I think might be a gloss. Right? Look at that. Oh, it smells like coconut and coffee, like a nice dessert. I think I'm gonna go in with leche because I feel like the chocolate brown is a little too brown for me. So I think I'm gonna go in with this one. I thought I could do it, but I can't. So I'm gonna take my blush because I need some blush in here in my life. Put on some blush. I'm going to take this lip kit right here. This is the Too Faced Polite Lips. I'm going to take the gloss in there and I'm going to put it right in the center of my lips. I really like this lip combo. Maybe not with the eye look itself. Like, I honestly don't care for the eye look, but the lip combo, the end result so far, I guess it came out fine. I wanted it to be a little bit more spring appropriate, but it is what it is. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching it with me and bearing through this video. And I definitely would try the Winky Lux products. They are really cute and they smell like coffee. So if you're a coffee lover, you would really appreciate it. I would definitely say that the lipsticks are incredible. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you guys liked it. And thank you so much for watching it today. And if you guys are new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button before you head out. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.